Jade stone has many benefits to offer. It's been used for thousands of years for its medicinal and healing properties. Using a jade roller helps stimulate blood flow and reduce inflammation and puffiness. Our Mari Boutique Jade handcrafted rollers bring a smooth, relaxing experience with durability you can count on.
Hello everyone, and congratulations on purchasing your very first Mari Boutique Jade Facial Roller. This video today is going to be a quick introduction as well as a tutorial on how to use this beautiful roller. So let's get started. Alright everyone, so you saw how easy that was. Personally, my favorite way to use the jade roller is right before I want to go in and moisturize as well as use any of my daily serums on my face. That way, when you're using the jade roller, not only is it providing all of the wonderful benefits that we spoke about earlier, but it's actually helping penetrate all of that product right into your face. I personally use my jade roller anywhere from 3 to 4 times a day. Of course, you guys can use it more if you want to. The best time to use it is when it's been sitting overnight in the fridge and right before you're going out for the day, you do your makeup, whatever the case may be. Use that jade roller because the cold stone on your face really helps take away any puffiness that you may have right when you wake up. I know that I do. I get very puffy eyes, puffy cheeks, so it really helps me, and I'm sure it'll help you too. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Please don't forget to leave Mari Boutique and your favorite jade roller a review on Amazon. Bye!